I just touched this white wall and, oh my God, the entire laboratory is changing colors. This is thermochromism, materials that change color with temperature. But wait until you see what happens when I open this chamber. You won't believe your eyes. Incredible! Every white object is transforming into perfect colors. The color transformation is spreading through the entire WonderLabs facility. I can't control it anymore. I've created a thermochromic paradise where every surface responds to temperature with perfect color. Thermochromic materials contain special molecules that rearrange when heated, changing how they reflect light. But what happens when I expose thermochromic materials to extreme temperatures? This will blow your mind. Unbelievable! Extreme temperatures create a rainbow sphere that cycles through every color in existence. The color reactions are cascading out of control. I need maximum thermochromic power to stabilize this. Perfect! I've achieved thermochromic harmony. Every color responding to my precise temperature control. Different thermochromic materials activate at different temperatures. Body heat, freezing point, or extreme heat. Imagine if your clothes changed color with your mood, or your house walls showed the temperature. What would you create? But can thermochromism work with living organisms? I'm about to attempt something never done before. Revolutionary! Living organisms creating thermochromic displays, biology and physics united in living color. This thermochromic science will revolutionize medicine, safety, and how we interact with our environment. Remember, temperature experiments require adult supervision and proper safety equipment. Science is amazing, but safety first. You can explore thermochromism safely at home with mood rings and color-changing cups. Science is for everyone. I challenge you to explore safe thermochromic experiments at home and share your color discoveries with WonderLabs. Arctic foxes change from brown to white with temperature, and sunflowers change color to attract different pollinators. Imagine the future. Buildings that change color with seasons, clothes that diagnose illness, even spacecraft that adapt to temperature. Every time you see a mood ring or color-changing cup, remember, you're witnessing the same amazing science we explored today. Smash that like if this color transformation amazed you, subscribe for more impossible science, and comment your thermochromic ideas. Until next time, keep exploring the impossible, keep questioning everything, and remember, science creates the most beautiful magic. WonderLabs out.
WonderLabs, WonderLabs, meet our scientific crew. WonderLabs, WonderLabs, amazing experiments just for you.